The dirty water which comes from entrance collector is subjected to pre-filtration in coarse screen to prevent big particles inside it to damage parts in fine sieve internal areas. After that, water goes to second filtration part where the fine sieve takes place from coarse screen. The particle in the water that goes to exist from internal part of fine sieve that is protected by a tough and spaced sieve constitutes a dirty layer in inner surface of the filter. When the pressure arising from the layer reach the values determined previously, a backwashing operation starts for cleaning of fine sieve. Hydraulic and/or electronic control unit opens discharge valve with the signals it sends in this value and performs a backwashing flow that reaches atmosphere. This makes vacuum effect in flow nozzles and nozzles absorbs dirt on the fine sieves. Such absorbed dirt passes inside from cleaning collector and hydraulic turbine and provides an axial rotation to cleaning collector by appearing from drainage unit. Circular movement that this action constitutes vacuums all dirt in inner surface of fine sieve of nozzles by vacuuming it. When this operation is finished, cleaning collector makes a new backwashing operation and goes back to former position and cleaning operation is completed. Filtration operation continues without any break during cleaning operation.